Hi. All right, so we're doing a BoxyCharm. I'm catching up with them. I believe I've got a couple more to do, but for today we're going to do this one. And so we're behind, so we're going to be behind on everything by a couple of months. It's been a busy time for me, and just trying to get some personal stuff straightened around. So I apologize for the not being as consistent as I would like to be, but we're going to get all through it. And so we're going to start with this box, and I think there is a card in here. Yes, there is. I'll just get that out. And this one is Fresh Start. And this one, let's see the back. Oh, it just tells us the products and how much they are, so we won't get to that. So this is the BoxyCharm card for it. It says Fresh Start. So there we go. So move that away. So let's get the first thing that I see out of the box. And this is, oh, and it's made exclusively for BoxyCharm. And I don't know who this is because I can't find the right way around. It's a very pretty box. It's got pomegranates on it. I'll just get Margot to show you. See, it's got pomegranates. Oh, here, I just figured it out. Pharmacy Daily Greens, and it's an oil-free gel moisturizer. Hydration is awesome. So let's see what this looks like inside the box. It's a pretty box though with the pomegranates. I tried pomegranates. I don't like them. There was a commercial for linens, and it was like, oh, and the air was filled with perfume and stuff, and it had papayas, and so I tried a papaya. Didn't like it. so much for that experience. So let's see here. Oh, it's got quite a few flaps, and then another. Oh my goodness, like that. Crazy. Okay, there we go. Wow, packaging, Margot. Layers of it. All right, here we go. We broke in, but we know it's not busted, so that's good. Oh wow, this is. Oh, and this is a glass jar. So we have Daily Greens oil-free moisturizing, and it's from Pharmacy with an F. And it's made. It even says on the jar, made exclusively for BoxyCharm. So that's wild. Let's see. It says an oil-free silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without feeling greasy. Formulated with ingredients known to hydrate and reduce shine. Oh, that's good. It's an oily girl. I like that. So we're going to apply it to clean face morning and night, and avoid your eyes, of course. So excellent. So I look forward to trying that. I like that. Wow, it's got a glass jar. I'm going to have to check into these people, but I'll be getting back to you in the future about those. So we'll get all this out of the way and on to the next product. I got a couple more boxes. There we go. Let's go with this other box here. And it looks like, oh, no, I was wrong. I was thinking it was going to be a mascara, but I wasn't seeing that it was a little too wide. So this is Queen. Queen? It's with a V. I'll show you the box. It's at the bottom. You can. I don't know if it'll show up in camera because the V is in the black part. But it's Queen, and it is, if I could find the right size, it's called Dragon Duo Eyeliner. Oh, it's eyeliner. Oh, so it is, I wasn't that far off. It's eyeliner. Alright, so let's open the box and see what they got to offer us. Oh, I see. It's got two in this inside. It's got the box split up, but it's got two products. So let's see what we got here. If I can get it out. It's tightly in there. Oh, it's never strange. It's just a cardboard, but it's so tight. I'm just going to get both out, and then I'll show you what they look like. Nicely packaged. Alright. I keep hitting that control stick, and I'm getting annoyed. Okay, Okay, so this is Queen, and I'll show you the logo on this one. It says Queen. Can you get all that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We'll open the lid. Hopefully I won't get eyeliner all over me. Oh wow. Oh, this is a pencil. Oh, here, I can make use of my bandage. Can you see the end?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so this is like a pencil. I don't know if it twists up or not. Oh yeah, it twists up. Good to know. Alright. Okay, so we'll put the lid back on that before we ruin it. And then the other item that came in the box is this nice thing, and it's got these little logos on it. I can't quite see. I think it's the cue with the fanciness that was on the box. And that one was black. I couldn't possibly read what. I'm just trying to find what. Oh, there it is. I can't see the seam. Oops. Oh, awesome. So this is a liquid pen. You can see the end there. Yeah. So one is a liquid and one is dry. So that's interesting. I look forward to trying that. I like eyeliner a lot. And I just got comfortable with liquid a long time ago. So excellent. Next item, we got 2 more to go in here. We have a heavy bottle. Ooh, I like the color. So we have this bottle here. There's no box. It's just, I don't know if it comes off on camera very well, but it's pretty dark. Anyway, this is, and I think, you shake it. It was separated, so then it comes out to this nice light aqua. It was 2 different products in it, so let's read. So it's Avant, I believe, and it's hyaluronic, marigold, tocopherol, propylene, glycol, glycerin. Oh, this must be the ingredients. I don't know if it comes on camera, but it looks like a word search, so it's kind of really hard to read. And I'm guessing that's the ingredient, so I won't keep reading. So it's a biphase hydrolonic acid rejuvenating micellar water. I'm saying that so wrong. I'm going to find out how to say it correctly, because in Mary Kay we have the same type of water, except I'm not positive whether it has hydrolonic acid in it as well. That's maybe why I got to shake it, because of the acid. And I will investigate, because Mary Kay does have a product similar to this. So that'll be interesting to try out with it. So there we go, Avante, and I think this is a pretty pricey item as far as I remember. But I will put all the information in the comments below so that you can read up further on these. So I will. So that's neat. So I look forward to trying that. And I really like getting products that are in these boxes so I can compare them to Mary Kay products as well, just because if we have something of equal use, I like to see how we compare, because I would like to know if we're doing better, worse, more, less. Maybe we need to do more. Oh, and I'm wrong. We have another box left. Okay, so I'll put this one aside. So we have a little box. Apple and Balm lip mask. So it comes in this nice looking box. And it's a lip mask. This is interesting. I've had lip masks. I used a couple at Ardene's. Ardene's? Yeah, Ardene's. And they had these rubbery kind. It felt really weird. Margot and I did it a long time ago. And it's like you put these big rubbery lips on it. I did all right, but I don't remember anything remarkable happening. So we'll see what this tube does. Oh, these are my favorite tubes. I have a love-hate relationship with these tubes. So these lids are always so small, and when you try and screw them in, they're really, really tiny, but it's this metal squeeze tube, so you can roll it up and it doesn't unroll on you. And so this is what the balm looks like. It's a beautiful color. I love it. Matches my phone. So it's by Seraphine Botanicals, apparently. So yeah, and so it's got, you know, the usual suspects, jojoba and rose hip and all of that stuff. So I look forward to trying a lip mask and see what it does for me. And my lips have been really dry lately, so perhaps this will help me relieve that issue. And lastly, the big moment, because everybody likes makeup. If you're watching this, you must like makeup. And this is the Violet Voss All of You Forever. Oh, how cute. It's a nice green though, I like that. And the box is really nice. So let's open it up and look at what the palette looks like, because that's kind of neat. I've been liking green lately well, in theory, since I haven't been doing my makeup, but all the green ones I've been looking at, I'm thinking, oh, I would really like to try that color. So I'm hoping that this Violet Voss has a lot of green in it that's nice green, because there's definitely some that are not so nice. So I'm sadly going to destroy the box because they pack them in so tightly that I can't slide it out as easily. So I'll just get rid of that. Okay, and find out. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. And it's the same as the box. It's really nice. It's smooth. And then we will open it up because it's a magnet. Oops. As you saw. And it's got a nice mirror. And we'll move that mirror back because I don't know if Margot wants to be on the camera today. So, and these are the colors that come in. So it's kind of interesting that it says it's olive and there's like what, one green? Well, there's a couple of greens. I guess the other one's dark green. But there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 greens compared to 6, 7, 8. But they all go with green. So, and it's a nice palette. It looks nice. I like it. I think you can get a nice, good fall looks out of this one. So I look forward to trying it. So that's the end of our BoxyCharm for today. And I will put down below what month this is, because I'm not sure actually what order these are coming in. So I'll figure it out, and everything, all will be revealed in the description. And I probably have a link for this, so if you want to sign up, I do get credit for it, being a subscriber. So just a full disclosure, if you want to use my link. If you don't, that's fine. Just go to BoxyCharm.com and sign up yourself. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again. Bye!